out here in Pennsylvania preparing for the Snowmageddon. I'm out here at my in-laws' house because they have a little bit of a hill here. So we're gonna make a sledding hill for tomorrow. We're looking at around 9 p.m. here on Saturday evening. Temperatures are a little cool. We're looking at around 16 degrees Fahrenheit. We're expecting to get between, I think it said 19 to 23 inches for tomorrow. So we'll see how accurate it gets. It's supposed to be a little bit of mix tomorrow as well. Maybe we'll see if we can get a little time lapse of us getting some snow overnight. That'd be really cool. But right here we've got an old sledding hill from the last weekend. We got a little bit of snow, about 4 or 5 inches. So we had a good sledding hill, but tomorrow with all the snow that we have coming, it's going to be even more fun. We got the kiddo here. James is here. It's his parents' house. So we are going to just have a lot of fun tomorrow. Look forward to showing you guys what kind of fun we get up to tomorrow.
Yeah, that's immediately thick. Yeah, that's ridiculous. It's easily, it's like 2 inches. Yeah. To this point. Well, Missy has fumbled around with the strap and has broken free. So now on board with me and Mark with our premium attachment here. This is some homegrown ingenuity. Who is back? Heave.
Morning.
Right out of it. Morning.
Lots of snow.
Dad and I.
This shovel.
Yeah, that's top tier. Yeah, Dad and I went out and shoveled this at, what time is it?
It's like 9:15 right now.
It's 9:15. So we were done shoveling everything where it was nice and, pretty clear at about 8:30.
Oh my.
So in about an hour, I would say there's about 2 inches back on the ground. At least. So Moose he's having the time of his life. We're never getting him back inside, but we'll come on board here. Marcus, how much snow do you think we have at this point?
It's almost up to me.
What?
It's almost up to my armpits. I was
Just-
gonna say something else.
Just about up to his armpits. Moose is down.
We'll have these plows for sale.
We'll have the plows for sale.
These plows for sale, $19.99, and we'll send a pair of Ginsu knives along with it.
We have top tier here at Snyder Shoveling Incorporated. We've got a shovel that I think was used during the trenches back in the First World War. So that's pretty interesting. And then we got this top tier contraption. Another Snyder special, broken plastic with a piece of wood, bolted, not screwed, bolted to the back of it. Also tremendously broken. So I think we're gonna use this one. Continue to build up the snow bank here. This will be a good time lapse.
We got a patent on this guy, right?
We do have a patent. That is patented. You're not getting any of our money. The piece of scrap wood with the other piece of scrap wood that we bracketed together. If Nikola Tesla were alive today, he would be gnawing at our heels to try and get that patent.
It's like we're the Benjamin Franklin or something.
We really are. Stage right now where we're running the flat little tarps down because you just get a good flat surface area.
Megan's gonna give us a little example here. All right.
Yeah, so we're in the compaction stage right now where we just gotta continue. We've sprayed the track with some water to help with some ice. We've sprayed the track with some water to get some ice going. It's also slightly some sleet coming within the snow, which is definitely helping as well. Snow is very powdery, so you would just destroy it over and over and over. So it's about 20 degrees. We've had 17 inches of snow. Kind of fluctuated recently between snow, freezing rain, kind of ice, moving back towards snow. We've done a good job right now. You can see our very pretty assistant there, snowing, sliding her way down, crashing, barreling, of packing it down. Just sprayed some water a couple times, but we've got a really good chute going that once this ice now, or this kind of rain that has come down freezes, I mean, we're gonna be breaking sound barrier here pretty quick. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much about where we're at right now. It's about noon, I think. Lord knows, so. Just terrible.
You can't really help me though, because it's so steep. I mean, give me your arm, yeah. I'm afraid of the ice. That's the scary part.
It's not gonna hurt.
You could do it for sure. Time for the big hill. The bunny hill's over. Time for the black diamond.
Double black.